Hey guys, I'm really excited to be bringing to you today the Oukitel RT8 tablet. Now I'm so excited is this is a heavy duty tablet with a fantastic battery life. It's water resistant, dust resistant, and can survive even the largest impacts. So very excited to have a look and see what comes in it today. To start with, there's the box that comes with it. As you can see, nice packaging. There it is there. Now it runs off Google Android as well. So we're gonna take a look at it and test some of the different features about how it works. So it's a nice box. So there's the screen. Now I've already set it up earlier. It was very, very easy to set up actually. It didn't take long at all. And you've got, so let's take a quick look. So on the top here, you've got the volume up, volume down, turn the tablet on, turn the tablet off. Now this has also got SIM card. Now it's also got dual SIM card ports there as well, which is very unusual for tablets these days as well. It allows you to be able to use, if you want, obviously the tablet in there or anything else. You can have a look, it's got the tablet ports in there which you can use as well. Now, it's got a 20 megahertz battery in there as well, which means it gets a lot of battery life. Now, it's 15.1 millimeters thick and it weighs 996 grams. Now, it's a bit heavier though, but with this, you're getting a robust tablet as well. So, very important to note. We'll go into technical specification about that shortly. And there on the back, you have the batteries as well. So, it's got a 40 megapixel camera as well. Got night vision and stuff like that, which we'll be talking about shortly. So, let's go back to the box. They've also included a few pretty cool features in here as well. So let's take a look. So to start with, you've got the user manual. Again, this is very, very easy to set up though. I'll talk about that shortly. You've got the pen for obviously the SIM cards. This is very neat as well. You've actually got a leather carrying case. So you can actually carry this on your shoulder as well. So set this up with a tablet and then you can carry it around with you. So you don't have to worry about just having a tablet itself set up, which I think is really cool. You've also got a strap here as well, which you can use with that. And you've also got here a charger as well. So this is a fast charger. So it charges very, very quick. Again, this is a US port as well, but you can get the Australian adapters if you want. So very, very handy, but it comes with the USB-C, which is very handy to do. So I'm going to put all this to the side for now, just to go in a bit more detail about the actual tablet itself. Now, once again, the tablet was very, very easy to set up with fast charging. It didn't take long to get the tablet going. I'm going to just turn this around and use my face. Now, what I'll start here as well, while I do this is, I want to do a special shout out to Arby, one of my super viewers. Arby's been a big supporter of the channel so far. So thank you, Arby, it's really, really appreciated. So here we are having a look at the tablet. Now, as you can see, there's the screen. So again, it has a rubberized finish. So on the back there, you see there, the rubberized finish helps. So it's very, very thick, very rugged. So it's got IP68, 69. And it's got MIL STD 810H certification. So this means it's resistant to water, dust, and impacts. And it's also got Gorilla Glass at the front as well, which is very, very handy. So it's very, very good. Now let's go and look at the kind of the functionality of it. So I'm going to just put that down and zoom in on it slightly. So I load this up with my Google account. Didn't take long to set it up. Synced very, very easily as well. And it's quite fast. So let's start by looking at the screen. So you can see I can move past it quite quickly there. Now what I like to look at a camera straight away is the brightness. So look at settings, you can adjust the brightness accordingly. So brightness level, let's go to full so we can actually see it. Turn off adaptive brightness just for this. But I don't know if you guys have worked with other similar Google tablets in the past. Very similar kind of setup in regards to how it works. The battery life, there are 19 hours and 45 minutes left. So this is a tablet that's just going to keep on going and going, guys. It's going to keep on working, on going, which is great. You're getting 233 gig free as well. I mean, that's extraordinary. That's a lot of included in there as well. So let's go and have a look at the, actually going testing it out to start with. So one thing we might do is look at how it performs with videos. So we open up YouTube and let's go and have a look at, I don't know, something you guys probably all like, Freedom Hours, very popular video channel. Guess whose it is, by the way? It's me! Yeah, sorry guys, I thought I'd put that on there. So to start with, let's go and open up there. Now you can hear that's the volume.
TikTok.
But tens of thousands of dollars a month of income.
Now you can see how loud that is.
Just from a mug. I mean, just from a mug, it's incredible. But this is an opportunity for you guys.
And there's a picture quality
so
as
today
well.
We're not just discussing these success stories. We're diving right into the creation of one. Right here, right now. And we'll leverage the phenomenal power of AI
so I'll turn this down.
to do all the heavy lifting for us. This has never been a greater time to start a business, guys.
So as you can see, it sounds really, really good as well. So it's got good picture quality, which is very handy, which you need. Got an 11-inch full HD screen as well, so I can do up to 2000K. It's got 500 nits of brightness as well, which is very visible. However, the problem with it is it does have Widvine L3, which is a slight downside. What it means is basically when you do things like Netflix and stuff like that, it reduces it down to 480 pixels, similar to what it's doing at MrYouWho at the moment. But that's just with streaming services like Netflix and YouTube. Then again, it's, as you can see, it's very fast and very responsive. Let's look at gaming, for example. Now, I love playing Boom Beach. I don't know if you guys have used that before. It's a pretty cool, fun game. So as you can see, look at that, it moves around, it responds very, very quickly to things. So if you want to go and do like a battle, let's go and have a look. Let's attack this guy. I don't know what army I've got, who cares? As you can see, you can, works well. Let's put the music up again. There you can see, very, very clear. So gaming is quite good as well. I don't mind how quickly that moves, so I'll turn it back down. Don't know if you guys like Boom Beach or not, but it's one example of how to do it. Now this is because it's got a MediaTek G99 processor. So it's got 6 gig of RAM. Now 6 gig of RAM is good if you're working with a camera as well. You want to have plenty of gig in there to be able to do it. 6 gig of RAM is very good, and 256 gig of expandable storage as well. So let's go and look at Google as well. As you can see, very quick to move through it. It's also got Android 13 operating system as well. It's very good. So as you can see, it's got very good, there. Now the kickstand I showed you earlier can also be used as a kickstand too. So you can actually use it to be able to view when you're out and about. Now there's, Google News, for example. Very, very nice. Don't know if you guys like that. Now, let's go and look at some of the things. So the camera, for example. Now, here's a camera just here. Now the camera's got 48 megapixels in it. So if we were to go and take an example now of a picture. So let's go take a picture of that. That's the Oukitel box. So as you can see, look at the quality there. 48 megapixels. Looks very, very nice. And you can zoom right into it as well. You see it doesn't reduce any of the picture quality as well. Now we might also go and do an example of how the video looks now. I'm going to go and film myself. I know you guys like seeing me, so let me do that just now. We'll go to video, turn it around and put it on me. So here I am doing a video. As you can see, it's very, very clear. Looks nice. Hey guys, probably a bit too clear actually. I look like I need to have a shave. So, but yeah, here's the video, how it looks. So as you can see, Oukitel has a 48 megapixel main camera. As you can see, the filming here, and it looks very, very great. Breathtaking shots, very, very good close-ups as well. Has a 20 megapixel night camera as well, which also works very well, so you can see night vision, but also has a 5 megapixel macro camera as well. Now, macro camera means you can go right up close and go close to different objects, so you can see how they look. But it really is a breathtaking camera in the Oukitel for a tablet. It's very unusual to get a tablet with this kind of vibrancy, this kind of detail. The guys have done a fantastic job with it. As you can see, beauty, picture, beauty more, and some other different function it has. So it does night. So you can actually do night on there. So it films of a night time, which I think is pretty amazing. So you can actually film in, nighttime camera, which is good if you want to go and put it out there to see what's going on over night time. You can't see anyone. It's excellent. So yeah, we're quite surprised with the camera capabilities. We'll be doing a future review where we actually talk into the camera capabilities as well, but it's very good. Now, I used face recognition to be able to set myself up, so you can use it. You can also use memory expansion. You can use all different things to be able to set yourself up on doing it. Again, there's some of the key features about the camera too. So 2.2 gigahertz CPU, 256 memory, 42 megapixel front camera, and 48 megapixel rear camera as well. So this tablet really does pack a punch. It's very, very impressive. Now, what do I think about the durability of it, like having it sit down? Well, if you have a look at it, look how durable this is. So if you were to drop this, it would survive impacts. Gorilla Glass at the front, which is good. It's got a built-in screen protector too, which helps it. And you also got, see these on the edges here? It helps if you drop it down when you're out and about. So I like it very, very good. A lot of other reviews have said as well, very, very durable as well. It's a bit heavier, but guys, you want a heavy case. You want a durable tablet, and you want one that has a good battery life. We need to give it somewhere as well. Now it also works as a USB-C charging, so you can also plug in other devices to charge, which is great. So yeah, it works very well. And also you've got a USB-C to USB-C cable here too. So I can take this and literally plug in. So let me give you an example. I can plug in my other camera. So let me just, so we take the cable here, we unplug it in the back here. So here's the cable just here. So unplug this, plug this in, and we're going to get our other tablet and plug it in, our other phone, our Oukitel phone, plug it in, and therefore they can charge each other up too, which I think is absolutely exceptional. So there they are, connected to each other. See, both in there. So yeah, so that works very well as well. So you can use them both together, which is good, but I'll be doing a review on this other one shortly as well. But guys, all in all, a very, very good tablet, very well priced, very durable, and I strongly recommend you guys get it. So let me know what you think, and I'll be doing a full review in future as well. And thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.